There's 1,000 parts in total, more than. The entire clock, including everything, weights, hammerwork, cranks, to the better looking pieces, wheels and gears. It weighs over 11.5 tons, so it's a lot of kit. It's extremely dynamic. It's a very well designed clock.
So we're at the stage now where we can start to bring the scaffold down from the belfry all the way to the ground, which is a massive milestone for the project, and one that we're extremely proud of. It's been quite a journey. We've replaced lots of stone. We've replaced all of the clock face glass. We've taken off all of the cast iron up at the roof level and repaired it and put it back on.